Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I know how awkward it can feel when you're at a restaurant or market abroad. You want to order food confidently, describe what you like, or chat with locals, but the words don't come out right. But here's the delicious truth. Food is one of the best ways to practice real, everyday English that natives use. In this video, we'll explore English through food, from ordering at restaurants to shopping at markets, with practical phrases, fun stories, and tips that will make you sound natural fast. If you love learning English through tasty, real-life situations, please subscribe. You'll get more practical videos like this delivered to your feed, turning daily life into easy practice. Ready? Let's get started. Your mouth might water by the end. Food and language are perfect together. Why? Everyone eats. Everyone talks about food. Restaurants, cafes, street markets, places full of natural English conversations. Think about it. Ordering coffee, asking for recommendations, complaining politely, describing flavors. All useful daily English. Let's follow the story of Leo from Spain. Leo moved to New York for work. His English was okay from school, but at restaurants? Panic. First week, Starbucks. Coffee big. Barista confused. Leo red-faced. At dinner with colleagues, menu full of words. Rare, medium, al dente. He pointed silently. But Leo loved food. He decided, I'll learn English through eating. He started small. Every day, one food situation. Part 1. Coffee shops and cafes, morning English. Leo went to the same cafe daily. Barista always said the usual. Leo learned, yes, please. Large latte with oat milk, extra hot. Phrases he stole. What can I get for you? I'll have a cappuccino to go. Can you make it iced? Room for cream. He practiced sizes. Tall, grande, venti, Starbucks special. Sweetness. No sugar, please. Light sugar. Extra sweet. He chatted. Busy morning? Barista smiled. Small talk started. Soon, Leo ordered fluently. Confidence grew. Tip. Start with coffee shops. Short interactions. Friendly staff. Repeat orders build rhythm. Common phrases. For here or to go. Name for the order. Anything else? Practice. I'll have a black coffee and a blueberry muffin. For here, please. Part 2. Restaurants. Ordering like a pro. Leo tried Italian restaurant. Menu scary. Appetizers, entrees, sides. He learned sections. Starters. I'll start with the bruschetta. Mains. For the main course, the pasta carbonara, please. Sides. Can I get a side salad? Done is for meat. Medium rare. Well done. He asked questions. What's the soup of the day? Is the fish fresh? Any recommendations? Waiter said, the chef's special is amazing. Leo, sounds good, I'll try that. Complaints politely. Excuse me, this is a bit cold. Could you warm it up? Or allergy. Does this have nuts? I'm allergic. Bill, can we split the check? Separate bills, please. Tip, keep the change. Leo role-played at home. Recorded himself. Soon, dinners with friends easy. Part 3. Street food and markets, casual chat. Weekends, Leo went to farmers markets. Vendors friendly. Fresh tomatoes today. Phrases, how much for these apples? A pound of cherries, please. Are these organic? They look delicious. Bargaining lightly. Can you do 3 for $10? Food descriptions, sweet or sour? Juicy. Crunchy. Ripe. Cooking questions, how do you cook this? Vendor stories, my grandma's recipe. Leo learned food adjectives. Spicy, mild, tangy, savory, bland, creamy, crispy. Taste, this cheese is sharp. The bread is crusty. Smell, it smells amazing. Market's great for listening. Accents, fast talk. Part 4. Supermarkets and grocery shopping. Daily practice. Aisles, produce, dairy, bakery, frozen. Phrases. Excuse me, where's the milk? Do you have gluten-free bread? paper or plastic bags. Self-checkout. Unexpected item in bagging area. Leo red labels. Nutrition facts. Ingredients. Learn words. Low sodium. No added sugar. Vegan. Part 5. Cooking at home. Internal English. Leo cooked with English recipes. YouTube. Gordon Ramsay scrambled eggs. Followed. Crack the eggs. Whisk. Low heat. Phrases. Chop the onions finely. Sauté until golden. Season to taste. He narrated. Now adding garlic. Smells great. Food shows. MasterChef. Hell's Kitchen. Learn. Plate up. Reduction. Sear. Part 6. Food with friends. Social English. Leo hosted dinners. What's your favorite cuisine? I'm craving Italian. This is delicious. Compliments to the chef. Diet talk. I'm trying keto. Vegetarian. Pescatarian. Allergies. No dairy for me. Stories. This reminds me of my grandma's cooking. Food bonds people. Part 7. Famous food English moments. Gordon Ramsay. It's raw. Idiot sandwich. Viral. Julia Child. Dropped chicken on TV. Laughed. You're alone in the kitchen. Confidence. Anthony Bourdain. Travel food shows. Real talk. Learn culture through food. Your food English plan. Coffee shop daily. Restaurant once week. Market weekend. Cook with English recipe. Watch food show. Talk about food with friends. Describe meals in English diary. Food English is useful. Fun. Tasty. No boring study. Just eat and speak. Your fluency will grow deliciously. Thank you for watching. Food is the best English teacher. Start tasting it today. Subscribe for more real-life ways to improve. See you next time. Enjoy your next meal in English.